Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Hanu Life Hacks. Hope you are good and staying safe. Now that you saw the thumbnail, you might have got an idea of what the topic of today's video is. So without any further delay, let's start. It occurred to me earlier today that perhaps I should not do this video. This is because the name COVID-19 is an unfortunate one and affected many people's lives. With all due respect to each soul and every person who challenged this pandemic, I would like to clarify that in this video I am going to talk about my perspective and my thoughts during the crisis period. I know how each one of us suffered during the lockdown and it is a tough phase to go through. Sometimes tough things teach us lessons and make us strong. On that note, I am going to talk about few things that I have learned during this difficult phase. First and foremost thing I have learned is not to take people for granted. I stay away from my family due to work. Earlier, my days are so occupied and did not even get time to talk to my parents. I was in the illusion that I was very busy, but the reality is different from this. Each single day of lockdown, my family used to call me and inquire about my whereabouts. Of course, all the things are to be managed by me alone here, but one call from them made me so happy. The call could be of barely 5 minutes. This is when I've realized that I was never busy to talk with them. This even happened with few of my friends too. So friends, let us never take our family and friends for granted. Spare some time for them, and this is not a hard thing to do. After all, they love us unconditionally. Pandemic or not, they will always be there for us. So, in our so-called busy lives, let us devote some time to our loved ones. The second thing I learned is monitoring the food I eat. Often we, particularly people staying away from home, stuff our stomachs with packaged and outside foods. I'm not saying to hate that instant noodles, even I cannot. It's my 2 am savior. But let us try to reduce the intake of those. I know it is not 100% possible for most of us to eat healthy 24/7, but let us start small. Remember during this lockdown how much we have reduced the consumption of outside food and preferred to eat homemade items even though they are simple and not so tasty? Let's try doing the same after lockdown too. I'm not saying to completely avoid eating out. Come on, it's not possible. Do not stop having fun at restaurants and eateries, but do not make it a habit. Let us try to eat clean from whatever healthy options we have around. Monitoring the food you consume has huge impact on your overall well-being. Once a while, cook a meal with your family. Believe me guys, cooking is such a good stress buster. The next thing I've learned is taking care of my body. Remember how all our social media feed, WhatsApp forwards, ads on TV are bombarded with messages to boost our immunity? Sometimes in the lockdown, I used to think, why I have to improve my immunity only when a pandemic hits? Why can't I take care of my body even if there is no such situation? So friends, whatever your age may be, start doing some physical activity within your capabilities. Please do not overpush yourself. Start small and try incorporating fitness into your lives step by step. If we regularly listen to what our body is saying to us, there is no need to get panic and pop loads of pills when crisis hits. Always remember your willpower and having strong mind are the best medicines. So start taking care of your body, friends. The last one for today's video is materialistic things are of no use. Remember how we spent majority of our lockdown in our regular way where our expensive things are lying in the wardrobes untouched? Remember how we ran to stock the required food items and essentials rather than gold or other materialistic things? Yes, I have realized those materialistic things are wants, not needs. Of course, I still love my most expensive shoes and may buy another pair in future. But I have realized that life goes on without them also. We all have small to big desires like buying a branded dress, owning the latest gadgets, or new model bike or car, etc. But do not get confused wants with needs. Just ask yourself this question before buying. Is this thing so important in my life? If the answer is no, do not buy it. Save that money for something best. So, buy only things which you actually need and do not waste your hard earned money to impress others. With this, I conclude the video and pray that the deadly virus disappears as soon as possible and we all go back to our normal lives. This pandemic is a tough phase and this too shall pass. Stay strong, my friends, and take care of your loved ones. Remember all the points I told you and start applying in your life. I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. Give a thumbs up if you like my video, share it with your family and friends. Do let me know what you felt in the comment box. Also tell me how you have handled the lockdown and what you have learned from it. And finally, do not forget to subscribe my channel Hanu Life Hacks.